What's up, YouTube? So yeah, I'm here with yet another video. So today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and work on a Dodge Charger RT with the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 motor in it. Today I'm gonna be doing the 1 7/8 BBK headers, and they are CeraCoated, so it's gonna keep a lot of that heat down. And so with these headers, we're not gonna be doing the connection pipe, we're just gonna do the headers into the exhaust, and we're going to delete the O2 sensors. But this is what we're working with. So what I was saying before my phone started tripping was this is what we're working with today. So as I can see right now, it has American Muscle Hellcat replica wheels. It does have a mid muffler and a resonator delete, as well as a worker bill, tinted tail lights. What else does it have along with that? It has a Hellcat Scat Pack bumper upgrade. It has the LED headlights with the grill inserts, and then engine wise, I can see that it has a cold air intake. So I am going to give you a before startup, and then I'm going to give you an after once I finish the headers. It's not going to be an in-depth video, but I will show you like what I do, because I do have another video, and I'll drop that link below. But yeah. And if you want to go follow him on Instagram, there it is right there. So it's a clean build overall. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so far I just got the basically mid pipes out. Looks like this car also had high flow cats installed. So, and then also an X pipe. Now this is passenger side. Now I was also looking at the bolts. It did look like the header bolts are already loose. I don't know why, but yeah, those bolts are loose. I'm gonna go ahead and take those heat shields off on each side. This is the driver's side over here, and then pull those things down and get them moving. Like this heat shield bolt is loose. Take that one off. There's about 4 bolts holding the heat shield, 2 on the back and 2 on the front. So get those pulled off, and then get the manifold bolts pulled out also. I'm gonna also disconnect the O2 sensor harnesses, and I'm gonna have to check the box and see if he got the O2 extensions. I'm not sure. I hope he did, but if not, then we'll just get those ordered and get those installed. We'll make something work out. We'll work something out with getting them to reach. So this is a passenger header. I did get the passenger manifold off. Just a couple of bolts. Basically my son right there. But show y'all what it's looking like up under here. I did go ahead and pull the dipstick out, so don't forget to reinsert that. Once I finish this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver's side to get it put back together, because he's gonna come get it sometime this evening. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the gasket ready, get the bolt, slide the passenger side in, go ahead and get that tightened up, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the driver's side. And this guy be doing all this shit. His ass somewhere up there. Look at the goddamn. He got me doing all this shit. And you think I'm gonna bring him this motherfucking phone? Crazy as fuck, bro. Never. You know. Bolting everything back up. As you can see, you can maybe see the header through there a bit. There on this side. On this side. Who are you talking to? But here's this guy. F1. The mechanic that does it all. See, you can see a header right there. Header right there. Bolts and everything up. For this. You said what? So what we're looking like right now, got the headers in, and those bolts are always a pain to get to. But I said it wasn't going to be an in-depth video just because I have another video on a 5.7 Hemi engine with headers. So yeah, this is what we're looking like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up, and then once I do that, I'll go ahead and get y'all a cold start. It's gonna be open headers, so we'll go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the first start. It's gonna be open headers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera set up, and we're gonna get moving from there. loud as hell.